Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Irium. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I have a makeup look for you, and I just want to say I am not a makeup professional, but let's get to it. So I like to start off by moisturizing and cleansing my face, and then I like to go in with a spray just so everything looks nice and dewy. And then I like to start off with my eyes. So I like to prime them and then put some concealer on them, and I like to blend them in with my fingers. I use my fingers a lot as I feel like the warmth on my fingers really helps to blend it in so nothing looks dry or anything like that. I'm really fussy when it comes to my makeup. So once that's blended, I like to put a setting powder all over my lids. I then like to go in with this shade first. I don't know what the shade's called, but it's just like a very light pink, just for the base. And then I go in with this pink colour, and that's going to go all over my lid, so I'll just be using this one. But I then decide to deepen the colour, so then I go in with a darker pink, but you'll see. So I like to blend that all over my lids. Now I'm just thinking that it's not pink enough, and that's when I decide to add the darker pink. But I didn't show it, but it's just a darker pink really. And then I blend that in. So I want it to look really just subtle and like not really bright, if that makes sense. I like everything to look just nice and blended. Then I'll go over with some concealer just so I can clean up my eyebrows. I like to start on my eyebrows, so I like to comb them out and then fill them in. I don't like the dramatic look, so I like everything to look really just natural. And the lighting kit is kind of like overpowering, so my eyebrows don't look as thick. So I just fill that in. I just want to say you might see some looking like dandruff on my hair, but it's not. I basically hairsprayed my hair, and then all the powder, I realised at the end, has just gone into my hair and stuck there. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks like I have dandruff. But yeah, then I like to brush my eyebrows out so there's no harsh lines or anything like that. I then like to go in with a gel just so it stays in place. I then like to just clean up my under eye and just making sure there's no fallout. I then like to go in with my foundation. So what I like to do is I like to put the foundation in the middle of my hand, so then it warms up, so then when I apply it, it's so like silky, like it doesn't make my skin look dry basically. Normally if I don't do this, I feel like the foundation just looks so dry on my face, but with this it looks nice and just makes it like glowy basically. I like to blend all that in with my fingers because I feel like I can blend it well with my fingers. As with a sponge, again, it goes dry. I don't know why, but yeah. I then like to go in with some concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my lip and my chin and my forehead. And again, I just like to use a little. I don't like to pack it on. And then I blend all that out with my fingers again. I don't really set my concealer as I don't find a problem, like it doesn't crease or anything like that, so I just leave it. I used to set it, but then that used to make it really dry, and now that I don't set it when I do wear makeup, it's fine. So yeah. I then like to go in with the first colour shade that I used, and I like to put that under my eyes just to brighten it up. Plus I don't have that colour in a eyeliner anymore. I like to go in with a pinky shade and just blend all that under my eyes. I hate putting mascara on, and it's even awkward putting mascara on camera. As you can see, I messed up a bit, but then I cleaned it afterwards. With my contour, I like to blend everything really well. Plus I don't want it to be a major contour look, so again I want it to be like a subtle look. So I blend everything well. And like, I don't know if you can see, but you can see all the little bits of my hair now. Oh, it looks horrible. To just clean the little contour look that I've got going on, and make it stand out just a bit more. And then I like to blend everything together so nothing looks harsh, and then I like to use my highlight. So now that the contour and highlight's done, I like to set my face and then go in with my lipstick. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more looks like this, then comment down below and let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.